Recently, I met one of my clients who wanted to register his invention under patent. Actually, we collected all the details of his invention in an invention disclosure form and then we processed a patent search. When we did a patent search, we got the following outcome. The outcome was his patent invention did not have novelty. His scientific inventions or features was already registered by someone in other countries. So he couldn't file his patent before the patent registration. But then the client was asking us that I have a product which I have designed in a unique way and I'm going to launch it in the market. Now, if you tell me that I cannot file a patent, what is the other remedy? Could you suggest me any other protection? That is where we discussed with him and we found out that his product had a unique outer dimensions and it had a different shape. So we thought of suggesting him a design patent. Under design patent, he applied it and he got the registration within a year. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is design patent and how it is applicable for your product. So let's discuss about it. Myself Rohini, corporate lawyer from Intelligensia law firm. Before knowing what is design patent, we need to understand what is the difference between a patent and a design patent. A patent is applicable for the features of a product, that is, the technical features or any other scientific features which is attached to the product. So these features has to be written in a detailed format and submitted before government where the technical features alone will be protected under patent. Whereas when you consider a design patent, the outer structure of the product and how it looks, how it has a different dimension, those things can be registered under design patent. For example, as a consumer, we can very well differentiate between an iPhone and the other phones. The reason is the iPhone has registered its outer structure before the design patent and the same iPhone company has registered all the technical features of its phone under a patent registration. So a product patent protects the features or the technicality behind it and the design patent protects the aesthetic design of the product. The next difference is the product patent takes a lot of time because you have to give in detail all the specification and government takes a lot of time to examine the application and grant patent. Whereas design patent is cost effective and the procedure for submitting the documents is also very less. Therefore, the timeline is also very less in getting the registration of design patent. Now let's discuss about who can apply for a design patent. Any company or an individual who has a product which is uniquely designed by them and they have launched it in the market, then they can apply for a design patent. For example, I might have a helmet which I have designed it uniquely, then I can register it under design patent. Even if I have a bottle which is uniquely designed for my own company, I can register it under design patent. Same as goes with Coca-Cola bottle, they registered their outer design of the bottle before design patent because they wanted to protect from other competitors using the same design. Secondly, if you have a product patent and you have applied for the technical features under the patent registration, it protects only the technical features. In order to protect the design and dimension of your product, you have to apply it under the design patent so that you get a complete registration of your product. Number 3, you are having a product but its technical features could not be registered under patent. It does not have a novelty. Then in that case also, you can apply it under a design patent. Though you don't get protection under the patent registration, you can get a protection under a design patent registration in order to protect the outer aesthetic design of your product. Now coming to what are all the requirements of a design patent. If you are having any unique product, you must take different views of the product as required by the government and submit these pictures before the government. The government will make a search under their database whether the same or similar product is already available. If they find out that there is no other products in a similar pattern, then they will give you a design patent registration. The process is very simple and that's why it takes only 6 to 9 months to register a product under design patent. Now, let's look into the advantages of design patent registration. The first and the foremost one, it has a faster process where you can get registered within 6 to 9 months. Number 2, design patent registration is a very cost-effective way of registering your product design. Number 3, competitive edge. Any other competitors cannot copy the outer design if you have registered your design under design patent. Number 4. Strong marketing positioning. When you register your design under a design patent, you can create a strong marketing position by identifying yourself as a unique design before the market. The final takeaway is, if you have an innovative product, don't just register in patent but also register in design patent. If you have a product which does not have any technical features, but if you want to just protect the outer design of the product, then you can apply it under the design patent. If you're already having a product which you're selling in the market and you want to apply a design patent, kindly call to this number and examine whether you can apply a design patent for your product. If you have any further doubts, you can comment below in the comment box. We are here to answer you. Like this, more information video will be posted in our channel. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Myself Rohini, corporate lawyer from Lee Intelligensia Law Firm.